Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why wrap ribs? Wrapping the ribs in foil helps speed the cooking process while ensuring they are melt in your mouth tender. This is also referred to as the Texas crutch. However, after 2 hours of cooking, we will unwrap the ribs to apply the sauce. 16 January 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cover the ribs with aluminum foil. Bake the ribs at a low temperature, 275 F, for 3 to 4 hours or until they are tender. Slather the baked ribs with barbecue sauce, then broil, or grill, the ribs for a few minutes until the sauce is caramelized. 22 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ribs benefit greatly from a low and slow cooking method. For cook times longer than 2 hours, most meat will benefit from being wrapped in foil. For example, baby back ribs will take roughly 4 hours to cook while spare ribs will take closer to 5, but both should be wrapped after 2.5 hours. 27 June 2018.
Take our lead.
2. Cover and bake the ribs. Now that your ribs have been infused with flavor, it's time to slow roast them. Cover the roasting pan or baking sheet tightly with foil and bake them for 1.5 hours. Don't worry if they're not tender at this point, they'll continue to cook when you brush on the sauce a bit later. 8 August 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.